Hi, it's Dave Dickinson with Bankers Compliance Consulting. Let's talk about HMDA and refinancings versus modifications. Now, first off, the refinancing, very strict definition. There's three components that have to be met, and they are that you have a new contract that is replacing an old contract. So one loan is satisfying another loan. Number two, both the old and the new loans are dwelling secured. And number three, there's a common borrower between the old and the new. Not all borrowers have to be the same, but at least one borrower the same. Now, what's a modification? Well, it's not a refinance, is what I would tell you. Basically, you're not meeting all three of those conditions, then it's not a refinance. You might call it a renewal, you might call it an extension, you might call it an allonge. It's just not a refinance. And there really is no definition for these other things under HMDA. There's refinance, and then there's not a refinance. Now let's go back to this definition of refinance, and I'm going to illustrate for that. I have loan A here, and loan B is going to satisfy, replace, extinguish loan A. Loan A is gone, and loan B stands on its own. That's what I mean by the new contract satisfies, replaces, extinguishes the old contract. When it comes to a modification, instead we might have loan A and we attach something to it. Loan A is not satisfied, replaced, or extinguished. It still exists, and this second thing attaches to it. That's the modification, the extension agreement, whatever. This is not reportable. Loan A being replaced by loan B, absolute reportable. But when you have anything else, it's not reported for HMDA. I hope this helps your understanding of refinancings versus non-refinancings, I'm going to call them. Thanks for watching.